Hi guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my new embroidery kit that I bought on Amazon, and I'm going to be embroidering using it. So this was around 20 euros and I will be linking it in the description below if you want to buy it as well. I think for the threads there are 50 colors in total, which is a lot, and you could choose from all of them. And there's like 6 different sizes of embroidering hoops, which I think is going to be very useful. And it also has some more needles and things to help you put the thread through the needle. One more thing is that by using the thread, you can also braid some bracelet if you want to. So starting off, I used this canvas kind of cloth, and I basically clamped it into the embroidery hoop, and the right side I believe is to tighten it, and then the left side is to loosen the hoop. Since it's the first time of me doing it, I didn't want to choose something too difficult, and so I found this pin on Pinterest, and I will link it down below if you want to see it too. I think it's a really great way to start off your first time of embroidering. So I started off with sketching out the general shape of the leaves or plants that's supposed to be on the canvas, and then I basically just get the thread and then try to sew it. There's a bunch of different techniques that you can find on YouTube about embroidering, and I basically use the most simple way to do it because it's the first time I'm doing it. I didn't want to make it too complicated. I will try to link some videos of the different types of knots or threads that you could use when you're trying to embroider. So this is a tool that helps you to let the thread go through the needle, and I've been using it the wrong way, as you can see here. But the right way is that you put the needle in the tool first, and then you hook the thread on, and then you pull the needle to let it go through the thread. And then you just go ahead and make a knot at the end of the thread, so when you're sewing it doesn't go through the cloth. And then I basically just started embroidering it. I used shorter time than I actually expected to. I used around like 1 hour or something. I think it's a really relaxing way to do something fun, and the result can also make you very proud after you're done with it. And then after I finish the first plant, I will just keep sketching all of the other 4 out and then just embroider it. I don't think there's much that I can explain, and look forward to the final result because I really like it. Now you're just gonna watch me doing a good old time lapse, and hope you enjoyed me embroidering it. Something that I actually forgot to mention is that in the original pictures there are some really pastel and subtle colors, which is what I don't have in my embroidery kit, and most of the colors in my embroidery kit is more vibrant, so I kind of chose the more aesthetic colors and more closer to the original one. But don't panic if you don't have like the exact color. As long as it's close to it and the whole image looks good to you, then it doesn't have to be the same as the original. Here's actually a type of technique that you can do when you're embroidering, and it's called the French knot. And I will, as I said, I will link some videos of people explaining it, how to do it in detail, because I'm not really good at explaining it on camera, so yeah. So here I am already moving on to the last one, and now that I'm done with the whole thing, just go ahead and use your scissors to trim out the extra cloth on the edge when you're clamping it in, and then basically you're done. However, if you want to leave it into the broader hoop, then whatever you want to do. But however, I decided to let it out because I think I want to do another kind of the small design in this hoop as well. So I took it out and trimmed it into a circle. This is the result before I took it out. So here's a nice video of it under the sunshine. I really hope you like this video, and I hope this motivates you to buy some of these crafting things that you can also do at home, especially during summer break or whenever you're bored, because it's really a good way to spend all your time and it's not a waste of time as well. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you next time. Bye!